The Dell UltraSharp U4924DW is one of those monitors that instantly changes how your entire workspace feels the moment you set it up. It's not just a large display, it's a full productivity upgrade built for people who work across multiple windows, multiple apps, and even multiple devices at the same time. Once you get used to this kind of screen real estate, standard monitors start to feel restrictive very quickly. At the center of it all is a massive 49-inch curved display with a 32:9 aspect ratio. In simple terms, it gives you the space of two QHD monitors side by side, but without the bezel in between breaking your flow. Everything becomes seamless. You can spread out your workflow across the entire screen and actually see everything at once instead of constantly switching tabs or resizing windows. Multitasking is where this monitor really shines. You can comfortably run several applications side by side without feeling cramped. A browser, a video editor, a spreadsheet, chat apps, and even reference material can all stay open simultaneously. It feels like having a digital workstation that finally matches how people actually work today. The curved design plays a bigger role than you might expect. On a display this wide, a flat panel would feel overwhelming, forcing your eyes to constantly shift from edge to edge. The gentle curve helps bring everything into a more natural viewing arc. It reduces strain during long work sessions and makes the entire experience feel more immersive and comfortable. Dell has kept the design language very clean and professional. The monitor doesn't try to look flashy or overly aggressive. Instead, it focuses on a minimal, premium aesthetic with thin bezels, a matte black finish, and a solid, well-built stand. It blends perfectly into modern desk setups, whether you're building a creative workstation or a clean office environment. The display quality is another strong point. With dual quad HD resolution, everything looks sharp and detailed. Text is crisp, visuals are clean, and the overall clarity makes long hours of work much easier on the eyes. Color reproduction is accurate and balanced, making it suitable not just for productivity tasks, but also for creative work like photo editing, video production, and design projects. Watching content on a screen this wide is also a noticeably different experience. Videos feel more immersive, especially cinematic content that benefits from the expanded horizontal space. Even simple tasks like browsing or reviewing documents feel more spacious and less cluttered. One of the most practical features here is USB-C connectivity. With a single cable, you can connect a laptop and handle display output, data transfer, and charging at the same time. This drastically reduces cable clutter and makes it easier to maintain a clean, organized desk setup. Dell also integrates thoughtful cable management into the stand design, allowing wires to be routed neatly out of sight. It may seem like a small detail, but it contributes heavily to maintaining a clean and distraction-free workspace. Another productivity-focused feature is picture-by-picture mode. This allows two different systems to be displayed side by side on the same screen. It's especially useful for professionals working across multiple machines or users who need to compare workflows, data, or content simultaneously. Comfort and ergonomics are also well handled. The stand allows height adjustment, tilt, and positioning so you can set it up according to your ideal viewing angle. Combined with eye comfort features that reduce blue light exposure, it becomes much easier to work long hours without feeling fatigued. While this monitor is not primarily designed for competitive gaming, it still delivers a very immersive experience in casual and cinematic gaming scenarios. Racing games, simulation titles, and open-world games especially benefit from the UltraWide format, offering a much more engaging field of view. What makes this monitor stand out is its clear focus. Instead of trying to appeal to every category, it is built specifically for productivity and professional workflows. Everything from its design to its features supports that purpose, making it a reliable tool for daily use. As modern work continues to evolve toward multitasking-heavy environments, ultra-wide monitors like this are becoming more relevant. Having a single continuous workspace often feels more efficient than juggling multiple smaller displays. It reduces clutter, improves focus, and streamlines workflow. Build quality is consistent with Dell's UltraSharp reputation. Everything feels sturdy, stable, and well-engineered. It's the kind of product that feels like it belongs in a professional environment and is designed for long-term use. For creators, editors, developers, office professionals, and anyone building a high-end workspace, the Dell UltraSharp U4924DW delivers a powerful combination of screen space, clarity, and productivity-focused design. It's not just a monitor upgrade, it's a workflow upgrade. If you want to buy this Dell UltraSharp U4924DW 49-inch curved monitor, check the link in the description below.